iPhone SE2 design. Hottest leaks. iPhone X notch could appear in iPhone SE2 display. Home button and headphone jack may be dropped. The iPhone SE2 is in line for a makeover. That is, at least, if you believe the rumors currently circulating about the handset. A video posted on social networking site Weibo, and spotted by TECHNO, appears to show a radically redesigned handset to the square block we've been used to from Apple's compact mobile line. It includes almost all display on the front of the SE2, with a notch at the top like the iPhone X, while round the back we could be treated to dual rear cameras, although when you consider even the iPhone 8 doesn't have a dual camera it seems unlikely Apple would put it on a smaller, cheaper model. Take a look at the leaked video below and make up your own mind on whether it's legit or not. Looking closely at the video, it doesn't quite feel right, as the device doesn't appear to have the Apple finesse we're used to seeing. While the video doesn't fill us with confidence, further fuel has been added to this redesigned fire thanks to a set of sketches that were sent to BGR by a previously reliable source. The sketches show the original SE on the left and the iPhone SE2 on the right, and appear to confirm the iPhone X style notch at the top of the screen, the removal of the iconic home button and a lack of a headphone port. It appears the iPhone SE2 could well retain the flat sides and general dimensions of the SE, rather than following the shapely curves of the iPhone 8 and X. While it's certainly to see the sketches marry up with the video above, they could all still be fake, so take what you see here with a fair pinch of salt.